Hello learners, I hope you all are doing good. I'm here with new and exciting information. First of all, I want to tell you don't have to be a mathematician to have a feel for numbers. So, to perceive the beauty of numbers, all you need is observing eyes and an open heart to witness the facts our nature possesses, that is Fibonacci series, and it's our today's topic. Where it can be found? The Fibonacci sequence can be found in every living cell. It can be found in things like flowers, pine cones, apples, bananas, hands, arms, etc. What is Fibonacci sequence? The sequence named after the famous mathematician Leonardo Fibonacci. This Fibonacci is a simple yet profound pattern. It will be interesting to know it. Pattern of Fibonacci sequence. Look at this carefully. How attractive and beautiful is it? The sequence begins with the numbers 1 and 1, then each subsequent number is found by adding two previous numbers. As you can see on the screen, how the numbers are working here. 1 plus 1 we get 2, adding 1 and 2 we get 3, now adding 2 and 3 we get 5, 3 plus 5 we get 8, and further 5 plus 8 we get 13. So here is the sequence we get from the numbers, that is 1 1, 2 3, 5, 8, 13. Isn't it interesting? Yeah, it's so interesting. The remarkable point is that the numbers in the sequence are often seen in nature, even in the spirals in pine cone. You can see here are 1 to 8 spirals, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Even in the fruit pineapple, you can see the amazing pattern on the shell of pineapple. And look at this, it's so amazing how beautiful the pattern seeds of sunflower have, isn't it? It's obvious. Now these shells you can see here are also in Fibonacci pattern. The numbers in the sequence also form a unique shape known as a Fibonacci spiral, which again we see in nature in the form of shells and shape of hurricanes. So beautiful. These are the flowers having again Fibonacci patterns. Number of petals on a flower. You can see these create the Fibonacci patterns. The Fibonacci series can be seen in the most petal patterns. For example, most daisies have 34, 55 or 89 petals, and most common flowers have 5, 8 or 13 petals. Look at these flowers. You can notice the number of petals in each flower. These are also in Fibonacci sequence. Even in our body parts, Fibonacci has been used by the nature. 1 thumb per hand, 1 plus 1 2 bones per thumb, 1 plus 2 3 bones per finger, 2 plus 3 5 digits in each hand, and 3 plus 5 8 fingers in total. And even our ear is in the shape of spiral. So even our body parts are also include the Fibonacci pattern. Last but not the least, another miracle of nature, hardly few of us may be familiar to it. Wow, great. If you Cut a rose stem 4 times vertically and soak each part in a different colored dye. You get a rainbow rose. Thanks to the Fibonacci sequence. This is the miracle by the nature. I assure you to be prepared to know about more and more interesting facts of nature to create bond between us and the nature. I hope all of you will be waiting for the next video with more exciting facts. Bye bye. Have a nice day.